That's normal. What is perspective? Perspective is a formula or a way. If you see things that are in parentheses, you can substitute it for the word that's next to it. Make 2D images flat appear to be 3D. In other words, it's an illusion to make objects in a picture look more real. What is the horizon? It's the place where we can no longer see because everything squishes and comes together. It's where the sky appears to meet the ground or sea.
You know, you can't really be seen in that position you're in.
Yeah, I know. I just have this on.
I
I run up and down. The horizon line is a line that determines or shows the location of the horizon.
I'm going to write that down.
You should be.
Oh, that's the horizon.
What is a vanishing point? Pointing towards which receding or moving away from one to converge together in the horizon. Parallel lines. We know they're parallel, but oh my God, they converged.
Oh my
Look
God,
how
that's
they
the vanishing point.
come together. Look at how this line, and how this line, and how this line, and how this line, and how this line is all coming to that. What is that called?
Vanishing point.
What is it called?
Vanishing point.
What is it called?
Vanishing
Very
point.
good. We have the foreground, middle ground, and the background. Foreground is. Middle ground is.
It's cool when you use your hand and like it shows shadow. I like that.
Background is. In box 1. Yada yada yada. Lights on for the activity. And lights off. Now I'm going to show you the answers. This is the foreground. This is the middle ground. And this is the background. The clouds are for the most part in the background. If you get up here, where this is a little bit more for the middle ground. Clouds are rarely in the foreground. It has to be really, really, really close. Where's the
Do you teach them this?
No.
Okay.
Where is the foreground, middle ground, and background? I'll give you a hint. There is no foreground. If there was a foreground, Ms. Maloney would have to be standing on some cliff out in front, and then she'd be in the foreground. But she is not, because there is no cliff. There is no middle ground. The background gets blurred away with the middle ground, so there's no middle ground. It's just a background and a foreground. There is no background in this picture. We have foreground and then we have a little bit of middle ground.
Oh, this is awesome.
What does perspective do? Perspective makes objects in a picture look more realistic. It appears as though we can touch the image. There's Mr. Jones. There's our vanishing points. But as he went back into space, he gets smaller, but we'll look at him, oh my God! 1 point perspective! It's a type of linear perspective where there's only one vanishing point in the composition or the picture. Remember, if things are in parentheses, you can substitute them for the word that is in front of them. Picture is also composition, they're the same thing. Chelsea. We're going to look at how everything comes to one vanishing point. We're going to look at this section, this section, this section, and this section. Oh my God!
This is too loud.
Oh my God! Whoa! 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 That's the vanishing point. What is that called?
Vanishing point.
What is that called?
Vanishing point.
What is that called?
Vanishing point.
Oh my
fucking retard.
God! Whoa! Whoa! artist. She uses the sun tunnels. If on the equinoxes and the solstices, which are seasonal changes for the summer, spring, winter, and fall, you lay into this tunnel on the equinox, and you look up into the sky, you can see constellations through these holes, like Pegasus, or the Big Dipper, or something of the kind. But this is what she does, and she is using in this photograph one-point perspective, and I'll show you. Whoa! Now, an activity. You turn on the lights for the activity. You shut them off. What is symmetry? They're the same. She's not on the same side. Symmetry in nature. Symmetry in architecture. Project number 1. We're going to stop there, because that's as far as they got.